Stop wasting time on tedious Excel tasks. Discover the AI tools that will revolutionize your spreadsheet game. Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive Excel tasks? Do complex formula leaves you scratching your head? Say goodbye to spreadsheet stress with these powerful AI tools. With Agilix, you can automate tasks, simplify formula, and even translate English descriptions into Excel functions effortlessly. ArcVise AI connects Excel to vast data sets, create your data, and help you write effective formulas with its Copilot feature. SheetGuard boosts your efficiency by automating tasks, managing spreadsheets, and providing tutorials. Plus, with GPT XL and Neural Formula, generating complex formula and scripts has never been easier. Unlock the full potential of Excel with these game-changing AI tools. Try them today and streamline your workflow like never before.